friends, welcome back to my channel. It's already winter, so I will add another winter special painting to my winter series, and it's again gonna be a winter landscape, but today's painting is specially for the beginners. So I hope you will like today's episode and thoroughly enjoy it. So without any further ado, let's get started with the painting. So in the beginning, I'll be mixing cobalt blue with titanium white, and I'll be painting the entire background with this color first, and I'm using a flat brush for this. It is always the best to paint your backgrounds with a flat brush, as this helps to apply the paint evenly on the surface. Why I say that this is a beginner level painting? Because I'll be using only these four colors: black, brown, titanium white and cobalt blue for this entire process. So there's no need to fuss about too much color mixing, and also there aren't too many details in the painting, and also I'm working on a very small space, so I am sure it is not going to take much of your time, and even if you are a beginner, you are going to complete this painting in an hour and a half at the max. So as a beginner, don't feel jittery and follow me, and you will find yourself painting a beautiful scenery by the end of this video. For the clouds and the fog, I'm using a dry brush, and this will help me smudge all the colors and create a misty and foggy effect. Adding various layers of dark shades to bring out the grooves and shady areas of the mountain. The parts of the mountain that receive light will be absolutely white because it reflects light. I'm going to add the white later after working on the shadowy areas. And you know what? We should always use these cool colors like blue and white and muted shades of brown and grey and black to create a misty, foggy effect. Because you know, these colors are known as cool colors even in the color wheel. So while working on the winter paintings, you should always keep this in mind, that you should always use these muted colors to depict the frosty, cold and snowy weather. both winter and snow are incomplete without the conifers, which is pine trees. So let's add some pine trees at the side of the road. You should always move your brush in a zigzag fashion to paint the pine trees. And you know, this is the golden rule of painting the pine trees, or what you call the Christmas tree. It just needs a little bit of practice and you are good to go. I will add some final touches now, just a few shadows here and there, and this brings me to the end of this painting. Let's remove the masking tape from the side, and this is going to make the painting look even better. So I hope you liked today's tutorial, and if you really did, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up to cheer me up. And also don't forget to hit the bell notification, which is going to notify you every time I upload a video. Meet you again in my next video. Till then, keep painting and keep enjoying your art journey. Bye-bye.